Hey, what's up everyone, I am GameTrex and today we are going to fix all lag issue on your low-end computer. Just make sure to like this video and that subscribe too. First itself I will say that you have to apply only 2 settings, which will make your computer faster. And don't worry, your PC will be safe by doing this because we are not going to install any third-party application, so don't be worried. Let's get started. Now click on the Start button and type Run. Just click that Run application, you will find this dialog box. Type here what I am going to type. Type temp. And click on OK button to redirect to the temp folder location. Just deleted everything you see in the temp folder, don't worry. It's a Windows dumb file location. You can delete everything in this, just make sure to delete it when you think that your computer becomes little slow and laggy. Now do the same step. Type this and click on OK button to redirect you to this file location. It is also similar as temp file actually, it's a Windows dumb file location. You can delete everything in this folder. So, now you have completed the first settings. Now it's time for the second one. Now what you have to do is right-click on this. And this Windows gets open. Now click on High Performance option. Now the problem is you cannot able to find high performance in Windows 10. Don't worry, I am here to fix this. Just click on Create New Plan in the sidebar. After click on the high performance option and rename it whatever you like to name it. And now click on Apply. Now your PC is in high performance mode, which will speed up your computer. If you like this video, please comment below. I will make another part like this. I know that many of them have low specification PC. Even I am also having. You can read my PC specs in the description. And I forgot to tell you that I have already uploaded a video similar as this topic, optimizing the PC. Just don't forget to watch that video. You will find it an I button at the top right corner. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care of your parents and take care yourself. Help the needy one. Goodbye.